Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this makeup hack for your concealer, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I thought I would hop on and do a makeup hack for concealer for you. I learned about this yesterday from my distributor and my friend. So a lot of times I use Candlelight Shadow Sense for underneath my eye. Candlelight is a peachy undertone that cancels out any discoloration, any veins, any blues, any reds. It is amazing. But yesterday, my friend used the Deep Highlight from the Deep Contour Highlight Duo and for her concealer. So they both have this peachy undertone that Candlelight has. And the Deep Highlight, I haven't even opened it up. I haven't even tried it out. So this is the first time. I'm a little bit scared, but I don't know. My distributor was shocked on how this worked. So this acts like an eye illuminator. So it's going to brighten up your under eye. And I don't know, let's try it out. So this is sealed. Hold that there. Okay, sorry, I wanted to take a few photos before I started opening it. So I don't know if I said this before, but it's going to give me brightness, hopefully, and conceal. So here I go. If I can open it, there we go. So wipe off the excess. Make sure I got the right one. Oh yeah. Do you see that shine? Whoa. Let me take a picture of that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side off camera, but I wanted to pat it in with my concealer brush that I use, and I cannot find it. So I'm just going to use the back of this and gently, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Do you see that? It has the peachy undertone. Like, do you see the difference between that side and that side? Oh, this is like game changer for me. So I'm going to add a little bit more where I would conceal. This is what you can do under your eyes before you put your foundation on, or you could put it over top. Game changer. So I'm gonna try to, oh, here it is. I really need to clean my brushes. So I'm using the Morphe M536 brush. I'm lightly going to pat that in. Oh my gosh. Okay, so gonna take a picture, come back and do my translucent powder over it. But you can totally tell, maybe I'll go in natural lighting here. You can totally tell that it like brightened it up from this side. There's nothing on this side. And there's like a peachy undertone with highlight in it. Whoa, this is like perfect. So I'm gonna go in more natural lighting here, and show you guys what it looks like. The sun is not out very much, but you can totally tell the difference between, do you see that? It's like gives it a little bit of a shine, and this side has nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. I'll take a picture and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I did both sides, and I did some on my nose, and a lot of times I like to conceal like all of this, but I'm not going to today. So now I'm going to take our translucent powder just on this side and see what happens. And yeah, I love this. Like, you can totally tell it totally brightened me up, has that peachy undertone that we all love. If you are on fair side, I would probably choose a lighter highlight, but it is sold out right now, so you could try the deep highlight. So this is our translucent powder. It is in the shade white. It is really white, but when you apply it, it doesn't transfer as white. It is amazing. Oh my gosh, it still has that like highlight effect of a eye illuminator. Okay, I always do this after I do my concealer. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite thing right now. This is totally a game changer. If you're looking for something to brighten up your under eye, I know I did a video a while back on how to brighten up your under eye, but this is a game changer. Like, you can totally do that other thing what I did, but you can do this. And if you try it out, please let me know on how you like it. If you need help in purchasing it and getting 10% off if you live in the US, I can help you with that. So, game changer. I'm just like so mind blowing. And this is going to last me all day long. Yes, I did another drugstore product off camera, off this video, but which I shouldn't have done because it's probably going to affect my skin. But I love this technique. I'm so glad my distributor and my friend did it and I learned about it. Woo, this is what I love doing. Like, learning new things and bringing you guys new products. That's why, like, I just don't talk about purchasing. Like, it helps me out a lot. This is the way you can support me, like by purchasing, so I can bring you stuff like this each and every day. But I'm still gonna do it. So either way, if you purchase or not, I'm still gonna do it because I love learning new things, and I just love Sunny Jin's makeup. Like, I cannot obsess over it like so much. So yeah, you might think I'm a little crazy, but hey, what the heck, right? So I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result. I decided not to do my makeup because I wanted to finish out this makeup hack with you guys. I'm so mind blown. Like, you can totally tell it has a peachy undertone, like the candlelight, but it also brightens up my under eye area. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.